In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Spotify playlist not fully syncing between devices. Let's get started. First, make sure all the devices are connected to a stable internet connection because poor connectivity can stop playlists from updating properly. Next, confirm that you are logged into the same Spotify account on every device since using different accounts is one of the most common causes of missing playlists. After that, completely close Spotify, then reopen it to refresh the sync process. You should also head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for Spotify app. Once app appears, click on it. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version as outdated versions can create syncing issues. If playlists are still missing, try logging out of Spotify on all devices. Then log back in again to force a free sync with Spotify server. Likewise, clear cache for Spotify. Navigate to the option Data Saving and Offline, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. If you use offline downloads, make sure your downloaded playlists are fully synced and that offline mode is turned off while syncing. You should also check if songs were removed due to licensing restrictions because some tracks may not appear on all devices or in certain regions. If the problem continues, completely delete Spotify from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.